Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Admiralty and maritime law. In all facets of maritime practice, Gray Robinson maritime attorneys bring resources to address your legal problems and to work towards achieving your goals. Our services include personal injury and wrongful death litigation, analyzing and litigating marine insurance coverage issues, investigating, preparing and litigating sea and intermodal cargo claims, responding to investigating and litigating maritime casualties, providing advice, investigating and litigating marine salvage, general average, dim breach, limitation of liability, and maritime liens. Preparing and litigating claims related to ship repair, drafting and negotiating charter parties, concession agreements, and terminal agreements, and the litigations of products liability and toxic torts claim, responding to pollution and natural resource damage incident and litigating of resulting claims and enforcement issues, responding to shipboard casualties and litigating resulting claims, advising and assisting with FMC licensing, and then advising and assisting in compliance with international laws, treaties, and trade agreements, and then advising and assisting with immigration issues including stowaway, fugitives, and fines and penalties, advising and assisting with environmental compliance and providing enforcement defense, providing representation before regulatory agencies and administrative bodies, self-financing and U.S. foreign flag state documentation and registration of vessel, advising and assisting vessel owners regarding flag state classification, society, and regulatory agency compliance. The next discussion is about our maritime experience. Gray Robinson maritime lawyers provide a broad range of quality legal services in admiralty and maritime litigations and transactions. We represent all facets of the maritime law industry, including marine insurers and underwriters, vessel owners, operators, repairers, managers, lenders, manufacturers, and terminal operators. Our attorneys are experienced in litigations and transactions touching virtually all marine matters, including personal injury and wrongful death, hull and machinery claims, cargo disputes, charter party formation and disputes, ship financing and sales, pollution incidents, groundings, collisions, explosions, fire, and regulatory matters. The next is marine insurance. Gray Robinson maritime attorneys provide experienced representation in defending marine insurer and their insureds, whether the case involved defending the insured in maritime personal injury litigation, rendering a coverage opinion, or defending the insurer in coverage litigation. We have the knowledge and resources to meet the needs of the marine insurance industry. And then protection and indemnity associations. Our firm has the resources to provide the maritime legal services required by the P&I Association and their members. Our experience includes defending cargo claims, personal injury litigation, liabilities to third parties other than personal injury, fines and penalties imposed against ship owners, resolving U.S. regulatory and flag state and classification society compliance issues, and litigating claims under the association FD and D covers. And then the next is regulatory compliance. We represent and counsel vessel owners in all facets of regulatory compliance, including U.S. Homeland Security or Coast Guard, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, and Immigration and Naturalization services. Federal maritime commissions, maritime administration, and flag state and international regulatory schemes such as SOLAS and ISPS. Our seagoing experience and waterfront knowledge and capabilities enable us to resolve immediately problems that may arise which could delay or hinder a vessel getting underway, entering port, or completing cargo or passengers, embarkations and disembarkation operations, and marine pollution is the next. Our attorneys have handled all manner of marine pollution incidents from oil pollution under OPA 90, FWP CA, and CWA to hazardous materials under CERCLA. They are also well versed in all facets of marine natural resources damages and have litigated numerous seagrass and reef damage claims. Of particular significance is our attorney's experience in handling environmental claims on behalf of both insurers and their insured and the U.S. governments. And then the cruise line industry. As the cruise industry has grown, so has the volume of personal injury claims against the cruise lines. The firm has experience in the defense of cruise lines and the protection and indemnity associations in personal injury lawsuit by crew members, passengers, longshoremen, and harbor workers in conjunction with the defense of personal injury litigation, and often before litigation is commenced. We assist our cruise line clients in the investigation of marine casualties and in dealing with marine investigative and law enforcement authorities. From our experience defending cruise lines, we have gained the perspective to assist our clients in minimizing losses and promptly evaluating claims so appropriate action can be taken. The firm also has been involved in drafting contracts required by the cruise industry, including passengers' tickets, visitor passes, concessionaire contracts, and crew employment agreements. From considerable litigation experience, we have learned how best to protect our clients' interests through the drafting of appropriate contracts to address a variety of situations and needs. Many times, future losses and litigation expenses may be minimized through carefully drafted contracts. In this way, our maritime legal experience and new contract needs go hand in hand. And then major cruise lines have called on the firm to provide opinions and recommendations on a wide variety of maritime legal issues facing the industry. These opinions are often sought by the cruise line's general counsel or upper management in situations requiring immediate action by the company. From a working knowledge of the cruise business and maritime legal experience, the firm is able to meet the need for this type of consultation and counseling. And then the next is cargo claims and advice. We have extensive experience in handling cargo claims, stemming from all modes of carriage including marine, air, trucking, and rail. We have represented a variety of interests including carriers, insurers, shippers, and cargo owners. In addition, our maritime attorneys represent commercial transportation and retail entities of all kinds of sizes and perform the necessary transactional work to ensure that goods moves our clients' desire and that the risk of loss is properly allocated to those with the most control over the goods throughout the chain of the transportation, storage, delivery, and sales. And then marinas, ship repairers, and marine suppliers. The firm provides legal services to marinas, marine repairers, facilities, and suppliers of goods and services to vessels of all sizes. The provision of goods or services to a vessel may create a maritime lien in favor of the supplier that is not extinguished until payment is made. Where payment is not made, the supplier may have the right under maritime law to have the U.S. Marshal Services the vessel as security for payment. We have considerable experience in the area of marine liens, both in asserting them on behalf of the supplier and in defending them on behalf of the vessel owners. I think that's all guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you guys need information about maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because this channel we talk about it a lot guys. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics, so when you share this video to them, it means you already help them to get through the problems. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.